Ndereti konainie na kuriuka kwa ikundi ngananie ari ni hamwe na gikundi kia Mungiki githiaga na mbere gwakiriria atongoria thirikari ni merumite kini gutigirira ikundi shiti na shoka akieria hindi ya mushemanio wa kwarira mitaratara ya kuhitana na njohi ngananie gitaru-ini kia Rift Valley ari kaunti ya Nakuru. Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua ugite thirikari ni haririe kungethanira na matanya o mothe makuriukia gikundi giki.
Revival of those gangs cannot and will not be allowed. It is not possible.
Gachagua agiukirira ateti aria kuringana nake augite marahuthira mbeu njithe ikundi neici niguo kwiguna o ene.
What political agenda do you want to advance using other people's children? And I've said we leave you to God because what you are doing is wrong. These are children of other women, just like your own. Why do you want to set them up? And you know the consequences of the activities.
And we saw what some of these crooks and criminals were trying to do outside the DCI headquarters the other day. No country worth its salt entertains that kind of behavior.
Miario ya Gachagua ninyititwo mbaru ni minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Professor Kithure Kindiki uria ugite thirikari die kuhe kanya gikundi o giothe kiena mirugamo mikiruku kana iria shiko ciao ciraringana na utoi.
We must also say no to religious and cultural extremists who want to throw Kenya to the dogs. We must say no to political and other leaders who are inciting violence.
Ihinda-ini riu Gachagua ni ahete mukana maabitha aria mekugonderera haro-ini ya kuhitana na njohi thumu amwe na ndawa cia kurevia akiuga gutire abitha ugwitikirio ahotomie mibango ya thirikari haro-ini no.
This war on illicit brews and drug abuse and other crimes will solely be in the hands of the station commander, and the success or failure of it will be your marking scheme. And there is no station commander who has failed in one station will be taken to lead another one.
But unless we address this cancer and this problem with finality, we stand to lose the next generation of Kenyans.
Nona gukiri uguo Kindiki ni ahinyiririe itanya ria thirikari tikuguoyohia aria mararumirira watho thuguri-ini ya njohi akiuga thina wao uri na aria maragarara watho.
And I want to direct all officers involved in this crackdown not to use the excuse of this fight to harass, intimidate, extort money from legitimate traders and business people.
None of us has a problem with alcohol, but we have a problem with the poison in the name of alcohol. That we have a problem.
Gachagua tafanetie mushemanio uyu gitaru-ini kia Rift Valley riria koretwo akiriirie haro ya kuhitana na njohi ngananie gitaru-ini kia Mount Kenya. Giribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Mubi Wachage.